YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I just got home and I picked up this giant box, it's pretty big, from the package room, and I'm going to unbox it for you. It is a Louis Vuitton handbag. It is pre-loved, and I'm going to talk about it while I'm cutting the tape here. So I did a wish list video recently for 2018, and on that list I had the Never Full in monogram, the old model. I think I maybe talked a little bit about why I wanted the old model. Maybe I didn't, I don't remember. This is not that bag, but I came across this and I thought, well, that would be a really cool bag to have, I think, in place of the Never Full. It had a lot of the features of the Never Full, very similar in different ways. You'll see. So I thought I'd get it, and I got an incredible deal. It saved me probably $200 on the cheapest Never Full I could find in the condition that I want. This, on the photos on the website, I got this from Trendlee.com. I'll put a link below. It appeared to be in excellent condition with a pretty light patina, so let's see how it comes out. And then I want to put my stuff, I want to transfer my my SLGs from my Speedy into this bag to see how it fits, because I'm a little worried about the fit and how it hangs too. But let's get into it. Let's see. Okay, so I'm going to show you what it looks like in here. This is my second purchase from Trendlee. The first one I returned, it was that Speedy 25 in Epi Noir, and y'all can go back to that video to see why I returned that one. Here's the inside. It has this nice black tissue paper. I love black. By the way, I bought a second handbag from eBay, and that one is coming from Japan, so when it gets here I'll open that up for you too. But I just bought two bags, both Louis Vuitton Preloved bags. Alright, they've got it wrapped up really nicely in a bubble wrap. Ooh, I see it. Let me turn it this way. Oh, there she is. Alright. So, plastic, there's no dust bag. Y'all know what this is, right? A lot of you probably have this bag. Oh, here's the dust bag. That's weird that it's not actually in the dust bag. Boy, that's a nice big dust bag. Let me get this out of the way. And there's more bubble wrap underneath, so they packaged that very well. The dust bag here is quite large, says Trendlee, and it's really nice quality. It's kind of like the Henry Bendel dust bags that I rave about. It is very nice. I love that it's black. I don't have any black dust bags. Okay, she's looking good so far. Did I say the name of this bag? A lot of you recognize it already. It's the Delightful. It's the PM size, and it is the original version. So I'm going to pause for a second while I undo the tape, because that'll be loud. Okay, tape is undone. Pulling her out of this plastic bag, and let's take a peek at her here. So I'm going to show you guys first, and I'll just look at it on the screen. Focus. So as you can see, the patina appears to be pretty light, relatively speaking. I'm going to hide behind it so it'll focus on the bag instead of my face. So I see some marks on it, I think. Maybe. It's hard to see in this light because I'm staring into this really bright light and I'm in a kind of dark room. Here is the handle. She's nice and squishy. I like that about her. I was watching, I think it was Just Jennifer, and she was saying that her bag like this is nice and squishy too. Here's the bottom. Here is this side. I love the curve on this old model. And before I bought this, I was looking at videos and reviews and hearing what people thought about the old model versus the new model, and so many people said they prefer this old model. And then it has this clasp, and I'll do a review of this bag someday, but assuming I keep it, I'm pretty sure I will, but let's see. They've got this bubble wrap in here. There's more. And then this is one of the things that really drew me to this bag. It's pretty much the same size as the Neverfull, and I'll do a comparison of the two bags at some point too, maybe sometime soon. But it has that same interior as the old model Neverfull, which I just love, with the flowers. So pretty. The inside looks very clean. I don't see, again, it's hard to see because I've got shadows on it. There's not a plastic lining inside the zipper pocket, which I'm glad about because those tend to peel over time. Let's check out the zipper. Sounds good, nice and smooth. I'm gonna zip it up. I don't have a zipper pull like this yet. That looks like the ones on the pochette pochette. I say metis. I've said metis in another video. However it's pronounced. I'll never get it right because there are always people, no matter how you pronounce it, there are people who disagree. Anyway, she says Louis Vuitton Paris, and then I think on the front tab she says she's made in France. Come on and focus. There we are. Yep, Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. Very soft vachetta. It's not cracked. It's nice and supple. There's some wrinkling, looks like, and a little splotchiness there, but that looks actually pretty normal. I don't know that there are actually spots on it. I need to see it in a different light. So that's her. Let's see how my stuff fits in it. So I'm gonna pull out my pochette accessoire and just pack everything. I've got some extra stuff in my purse today, hat and gloves. It was a little chilly this morning. My cell phone I'll keep out for right now. My toiletry 15. Yeah, this bag is more narrow than a Neverfull for sure. My mini pochette and my Sarah wallet, glasses case. This I usually just lay on top of the others. Oh, those fit just fine. Here's a sunglasses case with no sunglasses in it. What did I do with those? I think I wore them to the Galleria the other day. Here they are. Check these out. I think I've shown you these before. I got these at Michael's for like $8. Pretty cute, huh? I think so. I don't think aviators are my style, but I feel like those work for me. I feel like I look goofy in them otherwise. A little PM agenda and one key clay. And I think I showed you this but didn't say what it is. That's my camera. I keep it in a Henry Bendel dust bag. And that's everything in my Speedy. So yeah, it does all fit perfectly. So I think she's a keeper. That was my only concern about this bag. Well, actually I have one other concern, and that's how it lays on me. And if it looks too casual, I've heard it's super casual. So let's pick this up and see how slouchy it is. And let me show you first what the inside here looks like. Oh, that's something too. I'll tell you in a second. Okay. So here she is. She's pretty full. I usually keep my little pochettes open so I can get to stuff easily. So you can see the mess I've got in there right now. All right, the thing I said a second ago, I was wondering if this strap might be a little short and if I could put a longer, like a shoulder strap on here, but then I worried because this strap doesn't have clips on it, so I wouldn't think it's removable. I wouldn't want to try to pull the vachetta off over that round thing. I don't know if it's supposed to, I don't think it's supposed to come off. So I was wondering how that strap would hang if I was to clip another strap to it, and I'm liking this. Let me show you here. So it just tucks right in the back there, and then I could have it just hidden and then attach another strap to it. So that would be good. That would work great. Okay, so I'm gonna pick this up by the handle and let's see how slouchy it is with all that stuff in there. That's not too bad. Okay, I got interrupted. My mother called to see if I wanted to do a Galveston weekend at the end of April and wine tasting for their wine festival. We haven't been to their wine festival before. We do all kinds of other wine events. So answer was yes. So yeah, that'll be fun. Okay, let me finish this. Where was I? I picked it up. I showed you how slouchy it was. Oh, I was demonstrating how I have seen people say that you're supposed to, let me turn this around so you don't have to look at the tag. You're supposed to fold one side down and then fold the other side down, and it's not working very well because I'm pushing up on the bottom, but like this. Somebody said it was like a fortune cookie, kind of. So, like that. So I'm gonna turn the camera and show you what it looks like on me because I'm curious to see that myself. All right, here it is on my shoulder. Let's see. Okay, so there she is. I'm 5'3". I'm not tiny, and that's how she looks. There's from behind. There's from the side. My arm would hang right over there. It's very comfortable. One of the other things I heard from Just Jennifer was that the shoulder strap would slip off her shoulder, and that's something else that I was a little concerned about because my Neverfulls, I never have a problem with that. So yeah, but I thought it would be a nice little change of pace from the Neverfull, and it's got that interior that I love. One of the things I really love about the monogram Neverfull, I'm just going to talk to you like this, is the look of the, you can't even see it, the look of the monogram outside with that interior. I just think that is so beautiful. And I don't like the newer interior. It seems like it doesn't look the same. Maybe just because it's so new, I don't know. But this looks great. I was watching MJ Luxe's video. I'm going to sit back down. Let me put the camera back. Never mind, I'm going to show you one more thing. I wanted to try wearing it, something in my eye now. I'm going to just try wearing it without the fortune cookie thing and see how that goes. So just put it on and put your arm down. It kind of squashes the outside there. It's definitely slipping off my shoulder here, but it could be this shirt because it's kind of a slippery material. So I'd be curious about other fabrics. I think it looks great. I think it looks really nice. I think it looks feminine. I was worried that it would be too casual, but I don't think so. I think it's really nice. People have said it's definitely a casual bag, but, and it is, but because it's a hobo. Hobos are casual. I don't think it slouches too much. That's part of what would make it so casual. But I really like it. All right. So yes, I think that's all I was going to show you, the modeling shots. Now let me turn the camera back and I'll tell you what I saw in MJ Luxe's video. Okay, MJ Luxe did a video about the Delightful. I was about to call it the Neverfull. And now shame on me, I don't remember exactly what their video was about. But did they compare the new model to the old model? I know she had the old model like mine. Pretty sure she did. If y'all don't know MJ Luxe, go check them out. They have some great videos. It's Jill and Marvin over there. So one thing she was saying is that these bags were made in France and then they started making them in the US, and they would put made in USA, and people were complaining about that because it's a Paris company. So they just put Louis Vuitton Paris, and she said that the ones that are made in France are more rare. I don't know if that's true, but she said that they're maybe more rare and coveted. So I feel like I'm lucky to have one that is made in France, and I got such a deal on it, guys, such a deal. So like the lowest you see decent condition Neverfull's going for these days, I got it for about 200 less than that. And these Delightfuls are going for a few hundred more than what I paid for sure. I've seen some that are over 1,000, especially in this condition. The hardware looks brand new. There's no like rubbing off. It's all gold. It's not silver. Oh, I don't even know what year this is from. Where would I find the date code on this thing? Okay, the date code is in the pocket. I'm going to try to pull it out here to show it to you and see it myself. It's from 2012. Does that say FL1132? I know they had a picture of this on the Trendlee website, and it was France 2012. So there's the date code. And what else can I say about it? I don't know. So I need to do a video comparing this with the Neverfulls that I have. And oh, the lining is not attached, so you can pull that out and like just turn it inside out and clean it, so that's handy. But the lining is still the same size as the bag. So like on my Treve, I'm gonna stop doing that because it's probably noisy for you. On my Treve GM, the lining is smaller than the canvas of the outside of the bag. This is so soft. It's so squishy and soft. I love it. It looks like new, other than the little bit of patina. It's gorgeous. It's in perfect condition. I really lucked out with this. So yeah, I'm excited about it. I'm gonna use it. Oh, I can't use it tomorrow. It's supposed to rain for the next few days. I'll just walk around the house with it. I'll use it in the house. All right, another thing I wanna talk about, and I feel like I was just in the middle of a sentence and didn't finish it, but I know in the rings it says Louis Vuitton on both rings. I think only once. I was looking, no, twice. It says that on both sides and both rings. And what else was gonna say about it? Oh, if I add another strap, I have to be sure to get a clip that's big enough to go over these rings because they're pretty thick. So here's my Treve strap. I'll just pull one end of it. That would fit, but I'll definitely need to, as a matter of fact, let me put that on and show you, and I wouldn't move the camera again, but let's see what this looks like with the Treve strap, and we'll pretend that it's vachetta and matches. I just want to show you a strap like this and how it hangs. And I don't have my stuff in it anymore, so it's not going to have the weight on it, but there it would hang lower. I saw some people have put crossbody straps on their bags too, so you could do that and have it hang lower, like at your hip, like a messenger bag. So that's a possibility. I love taking these bags and playing with them and altering things without damaging the bag so that I can make it my own, make it work better for me. All right, it's part of the fun of it, I think, and having enough pieces that you can mix and match. Is that it, finally? Okay, I think so. Well, stay tuned for a video about this versus the Neverfull, and I'm so excited. She's beautiful. I would love to hear if you have a delightful, how you've enjoyed yours, because I think I'm gonna have some fun with this one. It's beautiful. I can't get over the condition. It is just stunning. All right, and checking out the glazing. I keep saying I'm done and then I'm not. I keep adding things. Glazing looks good, the little I can see of it. Okay, I'm gonna stop. I will see you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my bag too. And again, I would love to hear your stories. I was about to say lick. Please don't lick my videos. Like my videos, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon. And if you're into Instagram, follow me there. I'm autumnbeckman on there too. Thanks so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Bye.